How to make a Google Form on mobile. Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a Google Form on your mobile. So before get started, if you new here, please consider to subscribe my channel and like the video. So first open a browser. So I'm going to open Chrome. Now on the top right corner, click on 9 dot icon or apps and then scroll down. After that, on the bottom you will see form, just click on that. Now you can change the form name. Now you can make question like, now you can choose answer type, just click on multiple choice and then here you will see the answer type, short answer or paragraph. You can choose checkbox or drop down. So let's say I'm going to choose short answer. After that you can make it required and you can explore other things. On the bottom you will see other things. So after completing your form, on the top click on share button. Now you can share this by email or you can copy the link and then manually share this, or you can make the link short and then copy. So that's how you can make a Google Form on mobile. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.